Hi everyone, my name is I'm Sir Alvin. So since um, the announcement of the Department of Education that we will be having our classes online, or most of our classes online because of the pandemic, so I have been thinking on how to maximize learning through online classes. So since I'm handling math subjects, so there will be computation, and it's very hard for us to show it using the PowerPoint because as I've said, it is computation, so it must be seen by by our students or by my students. So I've been thinking on how to do it. So I made something, um, this one, uh, what do you call that? A whiteboard, so that I can show my solution through this online. Okay, so I'm going to show this one to you. Wait. Okay, look at this one. So I'll, during my online class, so I'll be using two accounts, one for my laptop and one for my phone, so that I can use this whiteboard. As you can see there, no matter how are you going to move the whiteboard, still the screen will be fixed. So you can write there late, wait for a minute. Only to do is to pin uh, the whiteboard account, and there you can write anything. Very clear for you to show, or for me to show my solution. It's very clear, right? Okay, there. So would you like to know how to make it? Because I'm very willing to show you how. Here is what I made, a whiteboard. It is a whiteboard for Zoom classes or online classes. I have shown you a while ago. So this one, here's the view when I was doing my simulation for my math class with subject sets. So I really use it during my simulation. So the main benefit here is you can show your solutions live to your students, especially mathematical solutions. If for elementary, you can draw, you can teach your student how to write something, spelling, or anything else. So here are the materials needed for you to make one. First one is the whiteboard. Second is a single pairing like this for one length. I bought one length for this. Rivets and wait, old jelly case or old phone jelly case. For additional tools or materials, I have used riveter, metal handsaw, hand drill, and pull push rule for the measurement. So I needed to use the hand drill so that I can use the rivets. Here's the picture. Okay, so here are the materials and the parts, the whiteboard, the fairing for the frame, this one. Rivets, this is the one I use so that I can assemble them. As you can see here, you can see the rivets. Jelly case, my old jelly case. Actually, it's not as old as you think. Here are the steps in making that. So, okay, the yellow rectangle is symbolizes the whiteboard, and the blue one, the frame for using the fairings. So cut the fairings into 5 pieces using steel cutter or a handsaw for metal. So here are the 5 parts of 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so piece 1 and 2 should have the same length, and 3 and 4 should have the same length, and the length depends on the view of the phone camera for the full view of the whiteboard screen. You're going to check. You're going to start using your phone camera from the lowest part, lowest view until to the. You are going to adjust until you can see the full view of the white screen, and that's the height for this one. That's the length for this one. And part number 5, that is the holder of the jelly case. So the length should be enough for you to connect um, piece 3 and 4. Next, number 2 is you need to assemble the 5 pieces of fairings using the hand drill, blind rivets, and a riveter. You're going to drill first, then you're going to assemble them using the rivets and the riveter. Here's the one. So you have the drill and then the riveter, you see the rivets and the riveter. This one. So it's already assembled. Next, you have to attach the jelly case. So using the hand drill, blind rivets, and the riveter, attach the jelly case. But first, you need to make sure to test your camera for the full view of the whiteboard before you fully attaching it, like this one. Okay. So next one is you need to attach the steel frame or the fairings to the whiteboard using the hand drill, blind rivet, and the riveter. And here it is. That's how it's gonna look like. So it's just a suggestion. If you wanted to use it, it's very fine with me. If not, it's fine also. I hope that it helps. So all you need to do is to, this is my first video for my YouTube channel. So just click subscribe, share, and please don't forget to like and hit the notification button so that whenever I'll be having new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much and good afternoon.